you want to go to import and open and then choose your picture, and then your picture will show up like this. Then you want to touch the middle button, which is layers, and then go to the bottom and press the three buttons, which is how you duplicate the layer. Duplicate it and then rename it. And I rename mine Copycat because it's a copy. Then you go to this Band-Aid, which is a healing brush, and then you press the white circle and you make sure the hardness is up 100%. Brush is going to be a black squiggly line, and you can scribble over the stain like magic. So I just scribble over everything that I want to remove. Alright, and make sure you zoom in so you can see it clearly and see what you left behind, because sometimes you can't see everything when it's in its correct image size. So that's why you should zoom in to make sure you get every little detail. And I am using my Apple pencil to do this because it has a finer point. Okay, if it was a really big stain, I would probably use my finger, but I use the Apple pencil to do everything. And now I'm going to zoom out to see what I have, and it looks pretty good. I'm going to just clean it up. You can get very specific. These black marks are probably just a shadow and the way the light was hitting everything, but you can clean it up, however you want. I have it as good as I want now, especially because I'm going to actually edit the picture in itself. Some before and after action, and you can also just press the eyeball button on the copycat layer, and then you can see the before, and then press it again, you'll see the after. Anyway, I hope this helped you. Thank you so much. Please like the video.